Good morning, students, and welcome to the art class. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw some sweet little kids like you playing with a ball. You like to play with a ball? And I think you must already be playing in your garden or in the park or just outside in the courtyard with your family members or in school with your friends. So, are you ready to learn how to draw a scene of kids playing with a ball? So, here we go. Let's begin. Now, I am going to draw two children. We can add three also. Okay, I'll teach you three. It's your wish if you want to make two. Hair, two C's for the ears, eyebrows, nose and lips. Let me close this chin properly. 1 minute, children. Now, eyes. Other child is standing that side, so his eyeballs are going to be directed in that direction. Now, two lines for the neck. Close. Add some more hair. Now, shoulders. Now, after making the shoulders, let's first make the upper body like this, the t-shirt, by making a rectangular or a squarish shape. And now, I want to show that this child has just hit a ball or thrown a ball towards the other child standing on that side. So, I'm just going to show his hand up. So, see what I've done? Standing line and up, double, double, thumb and fingers. All right, and other hand is down, two slant and thumb and 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Children, I've taught you the easy way also to make the fingers. I'll just repeat it in the other figure where you can make a U and then make the fingers. You can, since they are playing, let's give them a nice jersey or any t-shirt that you like to wear when you're playing. Now, let's make the legs. Now, since he's throwing the ball and they are playing, legs are not going to be straight. Legs are going to be in action. So, one leg like this and one leg goes at the back like this. It's slanting. Double. Slanting, double. Can you see how I'm doing? You can make track pants, you can make shorts, and then shoes. How I will make this shoe? It will be made like this. And the sole of the shoe. Done? Now, where is the ball? Wait. Before we make the ball, I want to make the other child who's standing this side. So, here is that child. Hair, eyebrows, nose, lips. Now, he's looking towards that boy. Can you see his eyeballs? Neck, shoulders. Now he's ready to take the ball. So, and up. Straight line and hands go up. Okay, first, wait. First, let me teach you the upper body. Again, like a rectangle or a square. He's slightly tilted because he wants to catch the ball. Now, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. I hope you're finding this easy. Fingers and thumb. Now, this was the way I was telling you. This is the easy way, children. If you don't understand that way, if it becomes a little difficult for you, just make like this and then make 3 lines and your hands are done. Now, where are his legs? Now, for him, legs also 1 line here, 1 line at the back, slanting. Double, slanting. I think it's become too broad, a bit too broad. So let me correct it. So if you want to make corrections, children, draw a little light, otherwise very dirty lines are going to show on your sheet. So here goes the ball. These are the action lines to show that the ball is being thrown, and here is our ball. You can make your favorite design on the ball. And if you want to add another child in the game, you may add, otherwise you can just leave it this much. So these two boys playing with the ball is done. I think 2 are enough, looking good on the sheet right now. If you have some extra space, then you may add, because your files are bigger. Now the background, we can add some bushes, we can add some trees, we can add some fence, or maybe just the garden wall. Now let me teach you a wall this time. Now this is the garden wall. And to make the bricks, children, I'm teaching a new thing to you. To make the bricks, you will first make lines like this and then standing line. 1, 2, 3, as many as you want. A little far away, not too close. And then in between these two. In between these two. In between these two. Okay, now third one over here. In between these two. In between these two. And we are done. You can add sun, you can add clouds. You can add bushes also. There's no need to make the wall. It's not compulsory, children. Done again. Next class, I will teach you coloring. You may outline.